Ripple vows to respond to SEC attack amid exchange delistings of XRP. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So great news today, actually. XRP responds to the allegations from the SEC. So all the XRP holders out there, we got some good news today. And I'm going to show you the charts here before we get kicked off to even show you that people are responding to this good news. So here we go. All right, so we're here on tradingview.com. You guys can go to TradingView and get yourself a free account if you want to kind of mark up some charts and that type of stuff. There's also videos out there on how to use TradingView. But I wanted to show you something. I went ahead and marked off a couple of lines here, and these are new lines. I had a couple other things. This is, we are currently looking at the 1 week chart here for XRP. And as you can see, this week has been a down week. Last week, obviously, was a down week. Let's zoom in here a little bit. But there was a recovery week, and then you can see here on the moving averages, this was a very positive sign. On the weekly, it's starting to cross over this blue line. This teal line is crossing this blue line, which is a bad sign. However, that is because the news that has been out, and we've known that the news is what it is. And now, a lot of times the market's already priced in this type of news, but let's go ahead and drop down to the daily here. Oh, and then also I wanted to show you guys what I did is I went back in time, and this was a support level, this was a support level, and this. That's why I marked those 3 lines. Now, if you'll notice the very bottom line, we actually hit that support level on this weekly candle this week. You can see it actually hit that, and then once it hit there, bam, it retracted, and it's starting to go back up. So it doesn't want to be down here, right? So the price of 17 cents, it got rejected up. Right now, it is currently sitting at 22 cents, but let's go ahead and drop it down to the daily now. And as you can see here on the daily, it was going up, and then the news came out, and then people started getting scared. It started delisting from the actual exchanges, and that was the final straw, right? Boom, boom, boom. Yesterday we heard crypto.com, we heard Coinbase, all of those people are going to be dropping it, and that really, really hurt it. And so those continued. So we heard that it was delisting here, and then all of a sudden all those other exchanges started hitting. So as you can see here on the daily candle, it did go down and wick that bottom support there, and it's shooting back up now. And the only problem is, if you look at this teal line, it is riding downward, right? So we want this teal line to cross over the blue line and start heading back up. So on the daily, we're still looking bad. Let's get down on a smaller time frame. So we're going to go down here to the 1 hour time frame and take a look and see what's going on with this. Okay, so now we're here on the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, it was on that steady decline, but we got some relief finally, and that was today when it hit this bottom line here at 17 cents. That is where it rejected, and buyers, it came, look at this bull candle here. So from 17 cents all the way up to 23, it even wicked up and hit this resistance line. Now this was a support back in the past. If we scrolled all the way back, you could see that that was a support. It's been a support here, and now obviously it's becoming a resistance. So that's what they call a key level. That's a key zone to watch for. When it breaks above that, which hopefully that'll do that today, you can see now, if we zoom in here real close on the hourly, the teal was down here, okay, that was on the negative, and then it started coming up, and it has actually crossed over to being under the blue line. So it's the other side of that blue line. The teal line is now, meaning it is in a positive momentum territory here. And that isn't short term, right? So we saw that on the higher time frames, not great news. Lower time frames, great news. Let's drop down to the 15-minute here. And as you can see, it ran up a lot today. It came down with a little correction from that pullback, and it's springing forward. So let's hope this is on the 15 minutes. Let's hope that this can continue to run up here and then break through that 24, 25 cent and the candle to close above there. And then we can see some momentum, some bullish momentum. But here is, in my opinion, the reason that we're getting this information. Ripple vows to respond to SEC attack amid exchange delistings of XRP. So Ripple issued a statement on Tuesday urging market participants to hear its side of the story amid its ongoing saga. So you got the grumpy cat there with he's kind of pushing the XRP coins to the side. Definitely, if you're an X holder, you're definitely grumpy right now. I mean, I hate to laugh. I'm feeling it, so I'm with you guys as far as that goes. I know where we're at, but it's gonna get better. All right, so it says here, with XRP plunging in value following a wave of exchange delistings and trading suspensions, Ripple Labs issued a statement Tuesday vowing to respond to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission allegations against the company. The statement opens with the following message. The public and press have only heard the story from the SEC side, and we'll be filing a response in a few weeks to address these unproven allegations against Ripple. The statement claims that the SEC is using Ripple to bring down the entire cryptocurrency industry in the United States, and that for years the company has sought regulatory clarity on digital assets to no avail. Some observers believe Coinbase's decision to suspend XRP in January could be the death knell for the digital asset as Ripple embarks on a multi-year litigation with the SEC. Coinbase announced it plans to suspend XRP trading on Monday, a move that was hardly surprising given the exchange's IPO aspirations. So you got to remember, Coinbase wants to go public with their company. They cannot have any gray area. They cannot have any negative things on their books in order to go public, because it's a huge deal. So if there's a hint of anything wrongdoing or anything like that, even just the fact that SEC filing came out, they obviously have to basically wash their hands of XRP for now, because their company wants to have great success when they launch that IPO. XRP has been in free fall ever since SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple for allegedly violating securities laws. This prompted several exchanges to delist XRP to avoid regulatory backlash. Ripple says that the lawsuit has already affected countless innocent XRP retail holders with no connection to Ripple. And as we all know, us retail holders, we have been affected. You know, we may have been bought in at 25 cents. Some of you guys got in at 3 cents, who knows? But some of us also bought in again at 60 cents, at 70 cents when it just started taking off. And then all of a sudden the crash of the market, you know, it scared people off. It's actually scaring people off from crypto altogether. People are like, whoa, I won't buy Bitcoin. I won't buy Ethereum because it's going to happen to me just like that. You know what I mean? So it is scaring people. So I can see why they do want to have a response here. In the meantime, Ripple will continue to operate and support all of its products outside the US, the statement explained. The majority of our customers aren't in the US, and overall XRP volume is largely traded outside of the US. There are clear rules of the road for using XRP in the UK, Japan, Switzerland, and Singapore, for example. As Cointelegraph previously reported, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse believes his company will still succeed regardless of how the SEC chooses to classify XRP. That's because more than 90% of Ripple net users are outside of the country. Few within the crypto industry have defended Ripple against the SEC's allegations. Coin Center, a DC-based think tank and champion for cryptocurrency adoption, says it isn't prepared to argue the XRP is not a security. So what do you guys think? Is XRP a security? Is XRP just a token? Is XRP going to win? Give me your thoughts down below. Will XRP prevail this outcome? If you've enjoyed this part of it, going over all of the analysis and everything, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Plus, if you want to learn how to read these charts, see what I'm seeing, understand the knowledge, I highly recommend you get started with Epic Trading. They are the ones that have taught me everything about trading crypto, trading Forex, trading stocks. Everything that I've known so far is from the school here. To become an Epic Scholar, just reach out to me. All you have to do is go to winwithryan.com. You can sign up for our newsletter, and that will give you information also about the Epic Trading University and becoming a scholar. When you get into the program, you get the full university, which has tons and tons of curriculum, has the best trading educators out there in the market right now. Epic Trade Alerts, they'll let you know when is a good time to put in a trade, when is a bad time to put in a trade so you don't do the wrong thing. Live trading sessions, you can watch live professional traders, 6-7-figure traders, do real live trades in front of you, see why they're actually making trades, and they teach you how to make trades as well. Fundamental analysis, just like the analysis you got here, but on all of the cryptocurrencies, on all of the different foreign exchange markets as well. Market forecasts every Sunday, and also member support. So if you ever have any questions, you can reach out and they're there to help. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sign up for the newsletter, winwithryan.com. Hope you guys love it. Talk to you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're liking this information, I love bringing this information to you guys. And the more subscribers I get, the more excited I get to bringing this information, but also the more that YouTube will actually let you guys see this. So also, if you guys were interested in learning how to trade the markets, you guys saw me going through the charts a little bit. Here's a little bit of information on how to learn to trade in the markets.